In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the unable to sync contacts problem on LinkedIn. If you've been experiencing issues with getting your contacts synced, don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to tackle this problem swiftly and effectively. Let's dive right in and get your LinkedIn contacts in perfect harmony. First things first, we need to head over to LinkedIn. Open up your favorite web browser and navigate to LinkedIn's website. Once you're there, the next step is to sign in. Click on the Sign In button located at the top right corner of the page. You'll be prompted to enter your login details, so go ahead and type in your email and password to access your account. After successfully signing in, you'll find yourself on the LinkedIn homepage. From here, you need to locate your profile. Hover your cursor over your profile picture or the Me section. This is usually found in the top navigation bar. This will display a drop-down menu, and from here, you should click on the View Profile option to continue. With your profile open, it's time to dig into the settings to troubleshoot the syncing issue. Look for and select Settings and Privacy. You'll usually find this option neatly tucked under the Accounts section within the menu. Clicking on it will take you to a new page where you can manage various aspects of your account settings. Now that you're in the Settings and Privacy section, you should see several tabs on the page. What you're interested in is under Account Preferences. Click on it to move forward. Here you'll see several options that allow you to personalize how LinkedIn operates for your account. Once you enter the Account Preferences subsection, it's time to look for the syncing options. Click on this, and it opens the door to managing how your contacts sync within LinkedIn. This is a pivotal step because it directly influences how external contacts are pulled into your LinkedIn network. Finally, you want to make sure that the Sync Contacts option is enabled. When this option is turned on, LinkedIn will actively work to sync your contacts, pulling in names and information from your connected email accounts or other sources you've linked. If it's off, just switch it on, and you should notice an immediate improvement in syncing capabilities. And there you have it, a straightforward approach to resolving any syncing issues you might have been facing. With your contacts now in sync, you're all set to network seamlessly on LinkedIn without missing a beat. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching, and happy networking!